I'd like to share with you a few secret ingredients that you mostly already have in your pantry to make a super airy and crispy batter.
Let's get started with this incredibly crispy pork.
You can also replace it with other types of protein. Egg white, rice wine, oyster sauce, salt, and white pepper. Mix well. Marinate for 10 minutes. In a mixing bowl, add the cornstarch, salt, baking soda. This will make the batter crispy. And baking powder. This will make the batter airy and puffy. You could use this batter for any other ingredients. Also add the egg white and cold cup soda. This helps the batter to be extra airy, light, and crispy. Mix well. Toss in the dill and marinated pork. Mix together. In a pot over high heat, add the oil inside. Heat it up until 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the pork inside. Fry them in batches. And we're gonna fry until golden brown, about 4 minutes. Remove the pork. Now heat the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Return the pork and fry for another minute until super crispy. Double frying makes the pork crispy and less oily. When the exterior temperature is hotter than the interior temperature, it forces the oil from the inside to come out, so it's crispy and not greasy. Remove and drain the pork on a paper towel lined plate. In a small bowl, mix together the 5 spice powder, white pepper, and salt. Serve the seasoning on the side or toss it together with a crispy fried pork. As long as you follow your heart, respect and be kind to the ingredients. You could also sprinkle a dash of creativity and imagination. I'm sure your cooking is just as good as any master chef. Enjoy!
Absolutely amazing. It is so crunchy that the people from the next house can hear it. It's crispy, crunchy, really light, and the aroma is amazing. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon. Bye!